Puppet show is playing with steps, meaning we're going to play notes that are side by side. So whether it's E to F, they're right next to each other, or F to F sharp or G flat. So there's nothing in between these notes. That's called a half step. Let's start. Thumb on E and left hand thumb on middle C. See, I'm taking step by step. Let's take a close-up look right here. I'm putting my thumb here, E, and left hand thumb on middle C. Watch my fingers move very slowly, step by step. Left hand. 2, 3, 2, 3. Left hand. 2, 3 in the black key. 2, 3.